Hi guys, now today I'll let you know how to do Rabona, the curl ball, and the third thing, the three easiest ways to shoot the ball. Now, number one, I'll let you know the steps of the Rabona. Number one is Rabona. You should run like you were taking a free kick. Hop, hop, little bit hop from before the ball. Hop like this, then shoot at the ball like this. Okay? See how I had done. And put your non-dominant foot at the side of the ball, then shoot the ball. If you do not, your Rabona should go wrong. So my non-dominant foot is my left foot, so I have settled the ball. So I have set my foot at the right side. If your non-dominant foot is your right foot, so you should have to set your foot at the left side of the ball. Now see how I do the Rabona. Okay, see. Here I come. Okay, this is how you shoot. Now see again. My ball bounced. Okay, now I'll let you know that how to do the what I said you the three different ways to do the shoot like this. You're juggling the ball. Wow, isn't that cool? See again. We're juggling the ball. And then like this. Okay? You should shoot your ball while doing scissors. Like see. Now I'm doing scissors. Returning myself back to home. And then I can shoot the ball. See, this is how I do the scissors. Well, this is how you can do while doing scissors. Then the second shoot. You should shoot the ball while doing juggle. See how I'm juggling? Cool. Isn't that cool? See again. Cool. Isn't that cool? Now the last and the third how to shoot. This is how Cristiano Ronaldo mostly shoots the ball while pass come to him. The pass, okay? See, this is I pass to someone, then it comes to me. I have to take a bound and shot at the ball. For this, you should have your pass should be in air. If it's just like doing the elastico, the in air elastico, like your ball comes here, you jump and shot at the ball. I have passed my partner, you pass my hop and shot at the ball. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Now, the third step, I will let you know how to solve. Third part of our trick that I had told you, that I'll let you know three easy steps. Okay. Stalls I mainly use to juggle or to do around the world. Like see, I juggle the ball comes, and I stall. If your foot should not be like this, so your juggle, your stall do not go like this. So my stall should go perfect. Now I had see how I stall the ball. Now I hope you also enjoyed the video, and please comment, subscribe and like for more. Okay guys, leave you, take care, Allah Hafiz. And then for all my Muslim brothers and sisters and all, happy Ramadan. Okay.